Hey there, fellow educators. Ready to level up your feedback game? Today we're diving into Canvas's speech-to-text feature, an amazing tool that lets you give personalized, meaningful feedback on discussion boards without typing a single word. But before we get started, my name is Bhavani Kola. If you're new to my channel, this channel is all about educational tools, tips, and technology. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share this video with fellow educators because let's face it, feedback is a key to promoting critical thinking and meaningful student engagement. So why not make it easy for all of us? So let's jump right into it. So here I am in my Canvas homepage. I am going to hit discussions and I'm going to go to the discussion that I want to grade, and all the way, let me click on the discussion. And all the way on the right hand side, you see these three ellipses. I'm going to click on these three ellipses and I'm going to click open in Speed Grader. And once this opens in the Speed Grader, here is my discussion. Of course, I do have a rubric. I do have my students' discussion post. And as you can see, student did not meet the discussion post requirements. So instead of just saying, look at the rubric, I want to give some positive feedback. To do that, I will click on the speech recognition icon, tab, button, and then I'm going to click on this record button. And before I do that, let me see what I want to say. Okay, I got it. Well, I'm going to click on this. You shared some interesting points, but I didn't see what you personally learned from this article or video. Could you explain how this knowledge could be useful to you? Perhaps in a practical setting, like in your major that you're taking? And also, in what scenarios do you think discrete probability would be more useful than continuous probability? That should be enough. And once I'm done, I'm going to delete all the extra that I don't need. And I'm going to check. As you probably might have noticed, I do have an accent, but it does pick up my accent pretty well. It automatically uses punctuation, grammar, spellings, and it's pretty much done. And all I have to do is click submit button, and there I have it. And that's a wrap up. You now have got the tools to leave valuable, thought-provoking feedback using Canvas speech to text feature. Not only does this save your time, but it also helps you connect with your students in a more personal way, encouraging critical thinking, deeper engagement in your discussions. I really struggle, especially in math classes, to tell my students how to think and how to start to like mathematics. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow educators, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and teaching tools to enhance your teaching. Thanks for watching. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.